Come here, Max. Come here. Come here. Oh, you crazy little dog. Hello friends, welcome to today's vlog. If today is your first time in our channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. The deep cold has gripped our area and therefore it is changing our plans for our videos only for this week, as we are going to prepare our garage for winter's filming. It's just that the weather change happened very fast and caught us unprepared. But on Sunday we will be filming in the garage. We're getting the garage ready for winter filming again. So today I want to talk a little about the channel, our direction, thank all our supporters for your great support, and talk about why we went from calling the channel Everyone Can Do It-Yourself Projects to Urban Homesteading. And the reason for that is because I think in essence it is the same thing. Urban homesteading is about self-reliance, the ability to do things like fix your own cars, fix your own house, build things that you need, versus go out and purchasing them. And that is the do-it-yourself. So urban homesteading is, in my mind at least, the do-it-yourself process. How about you?
Sure.
Sure, that was very detailed and explained, and So, okay, pan on the crazy dog.
Hey, crazy dog.
Max. And this is our pup, Max. And he is more than a handful. Anyway, back to me, I guess. So, as you've seen in a lot of our videos, we build a lot of the things we need. That thing behind me was a decoration that we built with our for our house. Is it visible? And if you remember, what? So, the channel has remained the same. Our focus is on do-it-yourself projects that involve automotive repairs and house projects and building. And Sundays will remain always about woodworking projects. I love woodworking. I find it very relaxing, and we like to show you how to do things, how to build things, and also tips and tricks and techniques on how to on how to improve your woodworking. If you remember when we saw you the water softener that we installed, part of how this started was because I'm getting tired of how poorly houses are built in our country and how many corners the builders use, and frankly I think we do a better job than the builders do when we do things ourselves. What do you think?
Usually, yeah.
And the same with cars. I mean, I cannot tell you the times that we have taken a car to a mechanic to only receive it in worse shape than we actually took it in. So when we start fixing our own cars, two things happen. A, the cost went substantially down, sometimes 90% less cost to fix our own cars than taking to the mechanic. And also, guess what? The cars were not worse off. In other words, the mechanics did not cause problems that the car did not have when we first took it, or do damage to the car and then insist that they didn't do it. I mean, all kinds of problems. So the concept of urban homesteading is for us to fix, build, and maintain our own house, create a self-independence and self-reliance for most things that we can actually do. We do have plans for next summer, because now it's winter, so we're not going to do this project, but to build at least one raised planting bed, and we do grow some tomatoes, and what else we grow that we use?
Herbs.
Herbs.
It's been pretty minimal because of our schedule, but
Right. So we do, even though we live in a city, we are lucky enough to live in an area that we have some land and some feel of, what do you call it, country. Not really country, but we are not like New York.
right, we do have green space.
So we plan to expand that and show you both how to build, for example, a raised bed, and also how to do gardening on that raised bed. Between Elpida and Mrs. Wizard and me, we have quite an extensive library of knowledge of various things. Elpida is very good with arts and crafts and things of this nature.
And I have done raised bed gardening before, and square foot gardening, companion
So-
planting, all those things.
So we have a lot of expertise we are bringing into the channel. We're sorry we didn't have something more fun. We actually were planning to do something today, and we're going to do it soon. We were planning to show you how to repair a small damage into a car headliner, but then we were looking at the equipment we're going to use, and the temperatures simply didn't agree. It is just too cold in our garage, which we're trying to organize, and again, we're not at the space at the time that we could today warm it up to film. But that will be done this weekend, and we're going to resume our normal programming, and I hope you enjoy it. I also want to talk a little bit about what I call my favorite troll. It has become evident that there is someone out there that likes as soon as possible to click the dislike button, sometimes before they can possibly view the video, because I will post a video and I would look it, and within like 5 seconds we have a dislike. We have never posted a 5-second video. So I'm not sure how someone can dislike a video that they have not seen. So thank you to my troll, I really appreciate it. And even more sincere thankful to those of you that follow the channel, that inevitably very, very soon will give some thumbs up to really neutralize that negative input that this person is giving. And I really don't know why. It would be nice for them not to hide behind just a dislike, but go in the comments and tell us what their problem is. But this is the internet, we know that will not happen. In any case, to my troll, we appreciate the views. Thank you very much. And I do want us to remain civil. Our channel has been building a very nice community. People are very nice. Our subscribers are just the best subscribers. I think they're awesome. And I think as we grow and we are maintaining a very healthy... Why, you want to tape that? How can he milk his back with his tail wagging?
He's just... Now you're done?
He's done. So a little bit of our dog Max. I mean, he is part of the family, and as much of a pain as he is, we do love him. What is it that you want? What is it? What?
He wants a walk, it's just too cold for him to go for a walk.
It's too cold for anyone to go for a walk. It is freezing outside. But we promise we will have the garage nice and warm for projects from going forward. We went from very moderate temperatures to below freezing seemingly overnight.
Yes.
So we were not expecting to have this problem. In any case, thank you for listening to my rambling today. We are going to return to our normal programming on Sunday with a build.
It's like the third time you've said that.
I know. And I will say it, even though there is not really much learning that we produce today, but we'll appreciate a like, and we thank you for your support all this last year. The channel has grown to almost 3,000 subscribers in the last year. And we are going to see you on Sunday with a build, unless the temperatures are like -10 or something bizarre, which the way our weather goes, it is very possible, right?
Possible, yeah.
So from the Garage Wizard and Elpida, we want to wish you a great week. If you're like us in a very cold weather, stay warm. If you're in a warm weather like California, we are very jealous of you. What?
California has fires right now.
Warm weather.
We need to wish people to stay safe.
Oh, absolutely. Our hearts and prayers go to all those people in California. I think 41 lives have been lost so far, and we hope that everything will get under control soon. But I was talking about weather. How did you take my talking about weather?
Because you talked about California.
Yes, about the weather in
I'm sure
California.
the weather is not uppermost in their minds right now. That's why it came to mind for me.
All right. In any case, we need to finish this little rambling.
You think so?
So I'm going to turn the camera around and film you for a while.
You will not.
So we want to bid you well and have a great week.